Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create and customize sketches in Evernote step by step. Start by clicking Notes in the left sidebar. To open your notes list, the main area refreshes and displays all your existing notes. Click the New Note icon at the top of the screen to create a blank note. A new note editor opens in the main area with an empty title field and blank content space ready for you to start typing. Type a title for your note in the title field at the top. For this example, I'm using Sketch Demo. Click the Insert button in the Note toolbar to open a menu with several insert options. You'll see attachments, tables, images, links, and other content types listed in the drop-down. Scroll down the Insert menu and click Sketch. A sketch canvas opens with a drawing toolbar at the top showing pen, highlighter, and eraser tools, along with color options and a clear canvas button. Now draw on the canvas using your mouse or trackpad. For this example, I'm writing the word test. Then click the Done button in the top right to save your sketch and close the canvas. Your sketch is attached to the note and you'll see a message saying, "One moment while we attach your file." Once it finishes, the sketch appears as an embedded image in your note with a thumbnail showing your drawing. The sketch is now saved in your note and you'll see a preview of it in the sidebar alongside your note title. If you need to edit your sketch after saving it, click directly on the sketch image in your note and it'll reopen the drawing canvas. You can also change pen colors and thickness using the toolbar at the top of the sketch canvas before you start drawing. To delete a sketch, click it once to select it, then press the Delete key or backspace. The Transcribe button that appears on your sketch can convert handwritten text into typed text if you need to search or edit it later. And that's how to create and customize sketches in Evernote. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.